everyone, welcome back to Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to fix AI manga filter not showing on TikTok. So for that, first of all, open the TikTok application. After that, you will need to get logged in into the account. Now, once you have been logged in, you need to follow few steps for how you can fix this issue of AI filter not showing. So first, you need to make sure that your TikTok application is up to date. That means you have updated this application to its latest version. So for that, go to Google Play Store. Then on the search bar, you type in TikTok and tap on search. As you can see, the application is in need of updating. So tap on update and let the update be completed. Once you update the application, you will be sure that you have all of the latest filter and effects on your TikTok account. You can see the update is completed. Now tap on open. Now after that, you can look for the AI filter. Tap on search bar and then type in AI manga filter. Tap that. With this, you might be able to get that manga filter in here. Even after this, if it did not work, what you can do is go back to your profile, tap on profile icon on the bottom, and here you need to tap on the 3 horizontal lines on the top right, tap that, and then tap on setting and privacy. Then scroll down all the way down until you see a report a problem button. Tap that, and in the search bar on the very top for search for an issue, you tap that. And there you need to type in filter and press search. Then from the options you need to tap on can't find certain filter / effect on the third, tap that. Then in this piece, can't find certain filter, there are few steps available, that is switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, clear app video cache, restart the app and your device. Once you all do that, even if the filter option did not show up, you tap on no. Then tap on need more help. And then here on this text box, you need to type in something like, I cannot find the AI manga filter on my account. And then something like this, and then scroll down and tap on submit. Once you submit your problem, they should reply you in 24 to 48 hours and effect may be enabled in your TikTok account. This might solve your problem for not having AI filter in your TikTok account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you.